This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Hyundai iX35 active, stock reference number 5402. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a G4KD 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. G4KD 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage. Bonnet has 2 small dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 4 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right guard has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.